My name is Chris Parrish, welding instructor for FPTC. I'm proud to live in this country. I've been through a lot and to a lot of places. I joined in 06, got out shortly 2010, after 2010 because of extension, being extended. Learned a lot. I really stuck by what the military wants to instill in you, which is the Army values, and it goes by the acronym leadership, loyalty, duty, respect, self-assertiveness, honor, integrity, personal courage. I try to instill that in the students now and carry that forward. It's the best country we could be on earth. You know, it's the last free country in my opinion as far as being able to pick what you want to do for a living when you get out and go through your education process and have the no-quit attitude. Go in there and stay positive, knowing that everything's going to be okay. Take day by day and have a daily goal. And so have your short-term goals, your long-term goals, and don't give up. I want to thank our veterans. Thank you for your service. It doesn't go unnoticed in my eyes. And in my opinion, 90% of our population in this country, it doesn't go unnoticed. So thank you to all our veterans.